Greetings Marlboro. You're going to be looking at how we can use shape right in this PowerPoint here. Alright, so I'm going to select a blank. Right, you notice that this come now. Right, but as you can see, we want the one without any of these here. So we're going to come all the way here to the new slide and we're going to click on the blank one. Then we're going to go to shape. So we're going to click right here, shape. Right, so we're going to click on the circle and then hold on the left side of the mouse and come like that. Right, I'm going to go right here again and select another shape. Right, and then I'm going to draw it like that. Good. Right, if you notice the shape like this, right, so I want to actually cut out piece of it. What I can actually do definitely with this shape right here. Right, you notice I click it right here. I click this one here. If you notice right up here where it's a merge shape, right, so if I click on both of them like that, you notice the merge come up right here. So if I click right here, it's a union. If I click union, you notice actually they are together. If I say combine, notice cut out in the middle. Right, if you notice come right here, elegant. Right here is the intersect, you notice it like subtract is what it come like. So when I click on subtract, this is exactly how it look like right here. Yes, sometimes I wonder, oh, sometimes you just them do certain thing like this. Right, I'm going to show you next one again. If you come like that, walk in that circle, and they come in the middle like that. Right, so I'm going to select both of them, and I'll go right back here. Right, if you notice, you combine right here. So if I click right here, this is what happened. You notice? Right, it's actually up just like that with it together. You notice if I put that right here, you notice it come just like that right here. And if I come like this and I select it again and I come right here and I come right in between the middle, you notice what it look like. Right, you notice you can actually move. If I come right here, right, this is what happened. So I can put the cursor in right here and take out this piece right here. You notice you can actually move this right here just the same. Right, if you notice how shape look like now, notice we still have a little piece right on there, so see me? Yes, and this is where you can actually cut out some shape, you can actually put them together to where you want it and all of that. Look away there, yes. So hope you have learned something from this particular video, how to actually use shape right here in PowerPoint.